Hello friends, this is John Klesnick. I'm founder of Bonnet Pro. I've been a cleaner for 35 years. I'm very excited today to share with you a new product from Bonnet Pro, which is Nano Spot Max. Nano Spot Max is an all-purpose cleaner, the first one we've ever developed. It includes AFT, active film technology. It's a pH of 8, and you can use it on carpets, but you can also use it on a variety of things you would never think a carpet cleaner could be used on. So we're going to go over in this video all the multiple uses, from tile to cutting boards to high-end audio equipment to wool rugs to a variety of things that you can use this product on. Why don't you come in here and zoom in? I cleaned half this table earlier with Nano Spot Max. Now again, this is primarily, if you know Bonnet Pro, we're carpet cleaners. Put down a little bit of this and all the fingerprints, all this stuff that made this table looked uncared for, now it looks beautiful. So let's go through all the features of this product, everything it can do for you. But before we do that, I want to let you know how green it is. In most places in life, a 0 isn't a great score. But when it comes to health and safety, a 0 is outstanding. If we look here, we have Nano Spot Max, and we have for carpet cleaning and hard surface cleaning. If we go down to section 3, let's bring that up a little higher. 99% bio-based product ingredients, fatty acid, and ingredients from the FDA GRAS, EFAS, and FDA Food Additive Inert List. We have a cleaning product essentially made from food. The 1% that's left is a DFE, designed for the environment, approved surfactant that helps hold some of the natural ingredients together. So if we go all the way to the bottom, here's where the zeros come into play. So you have your health hazard, 0, fire hazard, reactivity, 0, 0. If we go down to our HMIS 3 rating, again, we're rated 0s, and personal protection is an A. This is about as green as you're going to get. And what's even more important or more special than this is not only is it green, but we're going to take you through a variety of things that this can clean, even to an industrial machine shop where it cleans up the worst grime. So we have a safe, healthy product that won't affect MCS, which we'll go into later in the video. And we're going to show you why this product is worth your time, and why it's a product that you should incorporate into your cleaning habits, both in your commercial business and even at your home. Let's find out more. So now that we've learned a little bit about how green Nano Spot Max is and its different uses for carpet and hard surfaces, and you can dilute it for a glass cleaner and tile, let's see if it can take care of the really difficult stuff. So I'm at this machine shop that's been here for about 40 years. So it's got decades of built-up grime on the machines and the cabinets and the tools. So let's clean a couple things and see if Nano Spot Max is really capable to be a great commercial cleaner. All right, so this is one of the spots, like I said, that I've tested chemicals for Bonnet Pro for years. I figure if it can clean up the grease off of this machine shop, I'm going to do pretty good on carpets. So let's spray this area. You can see I've done a sample cleaning before. Let's mist on some of this. We'll let it sit for a second or two. Maybe we'll even do some of this bad stuff up top. And you can see already some of the soils are just starting to run. And let's see how well this all-purpose carpet spotter and cleaner does on, on this old machine. Now, keep in mind, this has been building up for years and years and years, so it might need a second coat, or it might need to sit a little bit, or even a scrubby pad. But what we're going to do is we're going to make this look nice. A Scotch-Brite pad or the center of a Revive pad is something you can use to get a little bit more agitation, as opposed to this soft microfiber rag, this cloth, and then we can just start to take off this years and years and years of buildup off of this. It's that second time did it. And look at the difference. This is like practically looks brand new Now, if you can zoom in on the top here, you can see how bad that looks. And again, it's just decimating the grease and oil. This is scratches from this can. That's not dirt. So let's go down here. I'm even a little nervous. Let's go down here to the really, really, really bad stuff and see if we can get some of that off. So I'm gonna wipe off the metal shavings with my finger. All right, don't do that at home. And even this caked on sludge, and that is black. I mean, you can just see how much stuff is in there. Let's give that a little bit more. And even the worst of the worst, this is going to clean. So imagine if you have just some spots on your carpet, or if you have your kitchen counters or your banisters at home, or even the wheels on your car. This will get it done for you. Let's get a clean rag without any metal shavings and go to another area. Okay, so one of the other areas I tested this on, and this product I've tested longer than any other product I've released to the industry. I probably had about 10 months of field testing on this to get the formula just where I wanted it. So this cabinet I had cleaned before. I'll clean it again just for the sake of this. We'll spray on a little bit. We'll give it a few seconds while I'm talking. And as they reach for their tools in here and they get bits for the CNC machines or the drill presses or whatever they need to do, they're constantly touching this with the grease that they have on their hands from doing their job. And you can see here it's already starting to run. And if I just rub it with my finger, you can just see it's already dissolving the years of grease. And other than all the chips and scratches, look how easy that's just wiping off. So, you know, our motto for Nano Spot Max is it's strong enough for the professional cleaner, but safe enough for mom, and it is. Remember, this is a 0 health rating from OSHA. A 0 is the best you can get. It's made from corn and soy and palm and coconut and food-based ingredients. There's a lot of information about that on nanomaxgreenclean.com and at bonnetpro.com. But if you need a green cleaner that doesn't have any odor to it, no scent, doesn't change the indoor environment, that can cut through the worst grease and still be safe for your wool carpets, your regular synthetic carpets, your upholstery, your countertops, most anything that can be wet cleaned, you can use this on, and it does a fantastic job. And don't forget, this also has AFT, a Bonnet Pro exclusive, active film technology. And the active film technology will allow future cleanings to be easier for you because that protective layer that the AFT imparts on the surface that you're cleaning helps prevent oily binders from attaching to it, making it easier to clean in the future. So we appreciate you watching, and we'll find out some more in the next scene. So let's do one more area. Nano Spot Max just makes cleaning fun, doesn't change the indoor environment, and it works really well. So let's do this cabinet. This thing is probably older than me. And you can just see the buildup on here. It's just amazing. So while that's soaking for a second, don't forget in the family of NanoMax, we have the original NanoMax, which is for carpet cleaning, a detergent. You can use it for rinsing. You can use it as a pre-spray. You can use it as a booster. You can use it with any method, whether it's hot water extraction or bonnet or CRB. And it doesn't leave a negative residue behind. The only thing it leaves behind is clean and AFT. So you can see this just running down here already. It's even leaving a clean spot. I didn't even touch it. So we're going to just take this clean cloth, and it just comes off like magic. Look at that. And I mean, this is really old. It's even rusted. But you can just see that it just takes that filth right off of there. So Nano Spot Max will give you a very, very safe alternative to the synthetic chemicals that are out there that people use in their homes or for their cleaning businesses. It won't leave a negative scent behind. It cleans extremely well, as you've seen in the different shots in this machine shop, and you can use it on carpets, hard surfaces, a variety of different places. What more could you want than a product so green and so powerful? Again, strong enough for professional cleaners, safe enough for mom. So as you can see, Nano Spot Max is a very versatile, usable product. I didn't mention car wheels. I didn't mention a variety of other surfaces because we're still learning about many different places where you can use Nano Spot Max, whether it's in its RTU form right out of the bottle or whether it's in a dilutable form for tile and glass at about 1.5 teaspoons per quart. So we appreciate you taking some of your day to learn more. If you still have questions, you can go to nanomaxgreenclean.com or bonnetpro.com, and there's information on the colloidal chemistry and the science behind this product of MCS, multiple chemical sensitivities, and there's just a lot of information to help you explore this new realm in our cleaning industry that's still being discovered, quite frankly, because of the multiple uses that this technology gives us. So if you have questions, call me at 877-477-1615. Email me at info@bonnetpro.com. Come by Encapsulation Cleaners World on Facebook for professional cleaners only and nothing your kids can't see. And we appreciate you stopping by and watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.